Meantime, we shift our attention to the more allegations of intolerance from heavyweights coming in from the Indian film industry. First, it was music maestro A.R. Rahman who triggered a storm with his communal bias remark, and now it is veteran actor Naseeruddin Shah who claims that he has fallen victim to the cancel culture. Now, in an op-ed article, Naseeruddin Shah wrote that his invite to an Urdu event at Mumbai University was cancelled last minute without any explanation or apology. The veteran actor, however, offered an explanation as to why he faced this treatment. He believes, and linking allegedly the snub to his political views and his criticism, saying that he never praised the self-proclaimed Vishwa Guru and hasn't been impressed by a single thing that the Prime Minister has done in the last 10 years. Now, while the university, however, has denied any link to Naseeruddin Shah and has now put the onus entirely on the event collaborator, saying that the invitation was not sent across in the first place. The opposition, however, was quick to see this as yet another opportunity to accuse the government of intolerance and hate. And the question that is now arising, is there any truth to the claims in the first place of political targeting, or this is mere opportunism to further one's own agenda?
What you meant, just clarification needed from you, sir.
I do not want to talk about this issue, so please don't harass me.
No, I'm not harassing you. Just asking that you meant, when you stated that you were disinvited from the university.
I don't want to talk about it.
So why are you pushing the mic, sir?
Because you're shoving it into my face.
I'm not. I'm just asking.
I'm not answering you.
यहाँ सरकार हर बात में मुसलमानों के खिलाफ क्या क्या कर रही है, ये आ गया है। बीजेपी के जो नीति है उस तरह से चलना, वही लोगों को वो साथ में लेते हैं, बाकी सारे लोगों को विरोध में करते हैं। और मुसलमानों के खिलाफ तो उनकी सारी राजनीति मुसलमानों के खिलाफ है।
देश को बनाना क्या चाहते हैं ये? अब यही है। नसीरुद्दीन शाह जैसे आदमी के लिए आप ऐसी बात करोगे तो इससे ज्यादा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण क्या हो सकता है? जंग आजादी की लड़ाई जब हमारे आबा अजदाद ने लड़ी थी तो इस ख्वाब के साथ लड़ी थी कि हम सब लोग हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई मिल करके देश के विकास को गति देंगे। ये देश की रफ्तार को रोक रहे हैं।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी के भारत में हम किसी को अपीज नहीं करते, किसी को टीज नहीं करते। कांग्रेस है, टीएमसी है, या सपा है, या कांग्रेस में से निकली हुई जमातें, ये उनको एलिनेट करने में उनको आज तो यहाँ हालत हो गई है कि ये मुसलमानों को डरा के वोट लेते हैं।
Well, this issue has now clearly become political. With that, we head into a short break. The morning news continues on the other side. Back with the latest headlines.